Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Valerie from MotoPress, and today we're introducing an important new feature in our WordPress appointment booking plugin that will make managing event bookings much more flexible and convenient. In previous versions, group bookings were possible, but limited to one person making a reservation for everyone. Ideal for private events like guided tours or escape rooms. But with the release of version 2.0, we've added something that will significantly enhance your booking capabilities. Now multiple people can reserve spots for the same event or service within a single time slot, as long as available. Whether selling tickets for events, running workshops, or organizing classes, this feature gives you more freedom in managing who books and when. It's perfect for filling up retreats, tours, excursions, or even renting out boats. And don't worry, this update doesn't replace our original group booking system. It simply expands it. Now you can cater to all kinds of bookings, whether for a single group or independent individuals. So now let's dive into how this new feature works and how it can benefit your business. Let's start by exploring how the new independent group booking feature works. The group booking feature update allows multiple people to book the same service or event in the same time slot, which is a significant change from how bookings were handled before. So, before the update, only one person could book a time slot for a group based on the minimum and maximum capacity of the service or event. Once that booking was made, the entire time slot would become unavailable to others, meaning only one group could book it at a time. After the update, multiple individuals can now book the same service on the same day and at the same time. For example, if an event or service can accommodate 10 people, different individuals can reserve their spots independently until the maximum capacity is filled. So you can limit how many places are available, and the plugin will handle the rest, ensuring no further bookings can be made once the limit is reached. This flexibility means that the service or event provider can maximize occupancy, and customers can book their spots without needing to coordinate with a larger group. This feature is especially useful for activities like excursions or tours, where individuals or smaller groups want to book without coordinating an entire group, but still share the same time slot. This flexibility is especially useful for events like classes and workshops, where attendees might be registering individually but still need to join the same session. To enable group bookings in the plugin, head to Appointments, Services, hover over the service and click to edit. Now scroll down. Under the Service Settings menu, you'll see the Group Booking section, and the first key setting to configure for independent group bookings is to tick the Group Reservations box. This is the option that activates group bookings, allowing multiple individuals to book the same time slot. In addition to the new setting, you'll also need to configure the familiar settings from the previous version of the plugin. Minimum capacity, This setting determines the maximum number of spots that must be booked for each time slot per employee. It ensures that a certain number of participants are signed up before the booking can be confirmed. Maximum capacity. This sets the maximum number of spots available per time slot per employee, and it ensures you don't overbook, given you control over the total number of attendees. Multiply price. This setting, so if you want to charge per spot, you can use this setting to multiply the price by the number of booked items or spots. This way, if a customer books multiple spots, the price will adjust accordingly. Last but not least, we need to add a bookable item name. This field must be in a plural form. For example, tickets, seats, spots, or passes. This lets your customers know what they are reserving when they book their sport. And even if you don't enable group reservations but use the service capacity, you can still add your custom bookable item name for a more tailored booking experience. And once all of these settings are in place, you're ready to offer group bookings, both for independent individuals and for organized groups. And of course, don't forget to save the changes. And now let's take a look at how these settings work in practice. Now that we've covered the backend setup, let's walk through how the new group booking feature works from your customer's perspective. Let's now move on to a quick demo of the booking process. First, I log into my customer account, and after opening a booking wizard, I select the service I want to book. The rest of the fields are optional and can be hidden by the admin if needed. Next, I choose a date, and here's where the new functionality comes in. Now clients can book spots for themselves and others within the same time slot, making it perfect for events or group activities. This system ensures real-time availability, so your clients always know how many spots are left, and the price adjusts automatically based on the number of spots they are booking, making it simple for customers to see their total. This time I want to book 1 spot. The participant enters their personal details, including name, email, phone number, and any relevant booking notes. I don't need to enter my personal details because I'm a logged in customer. Finally, the client completes the booking by confirming and making the payment. Once a client makes a reservation, they are offered to add a booking or an event to their calendar with a click, whether it is a Google, Apple, Outlook, or Yahoo calendar. On top of that, once the booking is confirmed, the participant will receive a confirmation email with all the booking details. In their accounts, customers can also check all the necessary information on each booking. And if we open the booking form selecting the same event and date, we see that 9 spots are left. So it means other students can book this time slot. This time I want to register 2 participants. As I said before, if the client is booking for a group, they can add multiple available spots to their reservation. Next, the group leader enters their personal details. And finally, the group leader completes the booking by confirming and making the payment for all reserved spots. In this use case, once the booking is confirmed, the group leader will receive a confirmation email with all the booking details. As you see, you can customize these email notifications to include additional information like the number of clients for the event. Now that we've covered how the group booking process works from the customer side, let's move on to how you as an admin can manage and track these bookings. When multiple spots are booked for the same time slot, these appear as a single booked time slot in your bookings calendar. This makes it easy to see the overall availability at a glance. Clicking on the combined booking will display the total number of bookings and seats reserved for the time slot. To view a detailed list of bookings for a specific time slot, simply click on the total number of bookings or the View Booking button. This will open up a list showing each booking and each participant or group leader, including their personal information, the number of spots they booked, and any additional details. Payment for group bookings are processed automatically based on the number of spots reserved, so you can easily track payments and view a detailed breakdown from your dashboard too. Now let's talk about how the capacity is distributed among employees. If you have multiple employees providing the same service, you might wonder how the plugin decides which employee to assign when a customer books multiple spots. The answer is simple. The system automatically optimizes capacity allocation, so you don't need to configure this manually. The plugin will prioritize filling one employee's capacity before moving on to the next. For example, if a service allows 10 customers per time slot per employee and employee A has 5 available spots, a booking of 5 or fewer spots will be assigned to employee A. If a customer books 6 or more spots, the system will automatically begin assigning spots to employee B, and so on. The plugin also takes into account any variations in price or capacity you've customized for individual employees. So to set this up, simply expand and configure the customized service for employee menu, and this allows you to fine-tune how many customers each employee can handle and how much they charge for their time. With these automated optimizations, the plugin ensures that bookings are distributed evenly, making your service management more efficient and hassle-free. Let's sum it up. The MotoPress Appointment Booking 2.0 introduces a game-changing event booking feature that makes group bookings a breeze. Now multiple people can book the same time slot for a service or event, giving you way more flexibility. In the past, only one person could reserve a time slot for the whole group, locking others out once the booking was made, but now individuals can book the same service at the same time until the maximum capacity is hit. This means your time slots get fully utilized and customers don't need to coordinate a big group. Perfect for classes, workshops, or tours. Whether you're filling retreats, sports, or selling event tickets, this feature makes managing it all easy peasy. Plus, when it comes to assigning staff, the system handles it for you, filling one employee's schedule before moving to the next. And it's like having a personal scheduling assistant. And yes, it works seamlessly with all MotoPress themes, from running workshops to renting out bikes. This update brings a whole new level of flexibility and simplicity to your business. In short, here's to make your life easier, save you time, and keep your bookings running smoothly. So, what are your thoughts on this update? Please write them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for more tips and updates on how to make the most of the MotoPress tools. See you in the next video.